Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and we have a special treat for the gamers today. We have the Lenovo Legion 7i with us. It is the latest laptop from the Legion series of Lenovo, and we're going to talk all about it and find out what this box pack. But before we get on to doing that, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, press that like and follow button, and on Instagram and IGTV, follow us, and across all the channels. Please do share your love and feedback back with us by liking, sharing and commenting on our videos so that we keep getting better every time. So guys, let's start with finding out what this box packs for us and what this Lenovo Legion i7 is all about. Let's get straight on to it. Hello guys, I'm back again and we are talking about Lenovo Legion i7, the portable gaming laptop for the new generation gamers. And inside the box we found the Lenovo Legion with this amazing branding of Legion on top here, and then on the sides of the body we've got the USB 2.0, and then we've got two Type-C ports and audio jack. Pretty neat and clean front. And at the back we have all the other connectors, which needs HDMI, two additional USB ports, and of course the networking RJ45 port as well. And as we open this beautiful looking machine, and along with that came this beautiful looking box. Inside this box, let me figure it out how to open this first. Here you go. Are all the cables and connectors. It's got the adapter right here and cable right here, but neatly packed up. So in case you want to keep this while you're carrying your cables with you for your gaming session, this isn't a bad idea. And we're gonna talk about Lenovo Legion. We're gonna talk all about the processor. We're gonna talk all about the graphics, the thermals, the display, the keyboard, the battery, and the sound and everything. But this is a beautiful looking machine. It's beautifully precision crafted chassis. It's a high grade aluminum chassis that it's built up in. It's got great high refresh rate panels. It's a revolutionary TrueStrike keyboard out there, and an ultra long battery life, and the cooling technology, and the processor and the graphics. So we're gonna start with the processor first. When it comes to the processor, it's got, it's powered with Intel 10th generation i7 H series processor, and it can speeds up the clock up to 5.3 gigahertz, and it's an 8-core processor which has got 16 MB of smart cache and thermal velocity boot, Intel dynamic tuning, and Intel's Wi-Fi 6. That's pretty awesome. That packs a lot of power in it. And when it comes to the graphic, it's got G4 RTX 2080 Super with Max-Q design, which is powered by the award-winning NVIDIA tuning architecture, and more cores, higher clocks, and faster memory, and an ultimate performance is what you can expect from this beautiful piece of hardware. And when it comes to when you're having that long immersive gaming session, one thing you don't have to worry about when it comes to Lenovo Legion 7i is heating up, because it is integrated with the 2mm vapor chamber, which is updated 6-point thermal sensor array, and keeping your gaming laptop cool and quiet. It's got a dual fan of up to 73 liquid crystal polymer fan blades and 4 dedicated thermal channels to cycle the air at top speed. Now this is all achieved by Lenovo Q Control 3.0, which can manually help you configure all these settings to ensure that your gaming experience is absolutely brilliant. And when the power and the cooling and the graphics are amazing, it is backed up by a full HD display of 1920 by 1080 resolution, greater, richer contrasts and saturations, 100% Adobe sRGB color gamut, VC display, HDR 400 for deeper blacks and brighter whites, and that is achieved via Dolby Vision, and a 240 Hz of refresh rate at which is under 1 mm response time. This is amazing. That's what a gamer looks for. What is the refresh rate? How much is the response time? And so that the immersiveness of the game, the gaming experience becomes all the more involved. And it's with the overdrive and NVIDIA G-Sync technology, and zero screen tearing and shuttering is achieved. So guys, this is a beautiful machine when it comes to everything revolving around the gaming architecture, from the processor to the graphics to the thermals to the display. But one of the integral part of the game is your control of the game, which is the keyboard, and it has got the Legion TrueStrike keyboard. The soft landing switches. This has got 1.3 mm key travel. It's got the deep strokes with equal force in every travel, which is very important for the sustainability of the gaming experience over the period of time as the laptop ages out. And there are dedicated media keys, as you can see around, to give you that complete control. And each one of these keys can be configured into 16 million different colors. We are Corsair ICUE support for each key, so which means you can actually customize the keyboard colors according to your preference and liking. And when you are in that immersive, amazing gaming experience using the Lenovo Legion 7i, one thing less you have to worry about is the battery. It's got the all-day battery life. It's got the 80-hour battery and a smart dynamic discharge of power management system, which gives you a long full day battery life, up to 9 hours. And the adapter, as we just saw, is amazing, and it is a fast charging Rapid Charge Pro technology, which means you can charge up 50% of your laptop in less than 30 minutes. And of course, you can optimize it using hybrid mode and advanced Optimus technology. And the Q Control 3.0 allows you that quiet mode as well. And when it comes to speakers, of course, we all love our headphones when it comes to a great gaming experience. But just in case those headphones are not handy, don't worry about it. It's got dual speakers, smart amplifier, Dolby Atmos speaker system, and two 4.7cc sound chambers, which gives you that crystal clear sound, and from the crackle of a radio in that Battlefield game, and the room sound in that auto game experience. Guys, this is the Lenovo Legion 7i, the beautiful gaming laptop. This is the 15.6-inch model, the one we are holding with the i7 10th generation processor, is actually now available in UAE at a very nominal price of 7,499 dirhams only. So go get yourself one, check it out. And in the video, you will see some footage of us playing these games, so you can tell us how your experience was. And you can make out what you felt, and do let us know in the comments on what you feel about this laptop. And if you check it out in any of the stores, take a picture, post it on Instagram and tag The Great Lobbyist, so that we know that you checked it out and we give you a chance to win some amazing prizes. Do take a picture at that retail store when you go and buy it. So guys, this is Lenovo Legion i7, and this is your friend The Great Lobbyist signing off. So keep yourself safe, keep playing those amazing games, and stay safe. Peace.